If SketchUp is showing graphics errors, flickering, trashing, or not displaying your model correctly, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step. These solutions are especially useful if you're using SketchUp 2026 because the newer graphics engine is more powerful, but it also depends much more heavily on your graphics driver and GPU compatibility. So if things are acting weird, the good news is there are a few simple changes that can usually get SketchUp running smoothly again. If this video helps, please take a second to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more practical software tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first fix, and usually the fastest one, is to switch SketchUp from the new graphics engine back to the classic engine. In many cases, the new engine is the reason for the problem, especially if your drivers are still catching up or if your system is having trouble handling the newer rendering path. To do that, open SketchUp and go to Window, then Preferences, and then click Graphics. In the Graphics section, look for the Graphics Engine setting. If it's set to New, change it over to Classic. Once you make that change, restart SketchUp completely so the setting can take effect. This is one of the most important troubleshooting steps because it helps you isolate whether the error is being caused by the new engine itself. If SketchUp works normally after switching to Classic, that usually means your current graphics card drivers are not fully compatible with the 2026 new engine yet. In other words, the model or the app may not be the problem at all. It may just be a driver compatibility issue. So if you get results here, that's a strong clue you're on the right track. If the error continues, the next fix is to force SketchUp to use high-performance graphics in Windows. This matters because Windows sometimes assigns apps to the integrated graphics chip instead of your dedicated GPU. And if SketchUp is running on integrated graphics, that can absolutely cause flickering, lag, display glitches, or even crashes. To change that, first, close SketchUp completely, then press the Windows key and type Graphics Settings. Open the Graphics Settings page. On this screen, look for SketchUp 2026 in the app list. If it's already there, click it and then choose Options. If you don't see it, click Browse and locate the SketchUp.exe file manually. Once you've selected it, choose High Performance. This tells Windows to prioritize your dedicated GPU like Nvidia or AMD instead of the integrated graphics on the motherboard. After that, click Save and reopen SketchUp. This step is very important for laptops especially because many laptops automatically switch between integrated and dedicated graphics to save power. That sounds helpful in theory, but for a graphics-heavy app like SketchUp, it can create instability if Windows picks the wrong GPU. So forcing high performance can make a big difference right away. Now, if you're still seeing the SketchUp graphics error, the next thing to check is your graphics driver. This is where driver type matters a lot. If you're using an Nvidia card, you should generally install the Nvidia Studio driver instead of the Game Ready driver. The Studio driver is designed for creative software and professional 3D applications, and it tends to be more stable for programs like SketchUp, Fusion 360, and other design tools. The Game Ready driver is more focused on gaming performance and frequent updates, which is not always ideal if your main goal is stability. If you're using AMD, make sure you're on the stable Adrenalin release. You want a version that is known to be reliable, not a beta or experimental build. Driver instability can cause everything from display glitches to SketchUp freezing when you orbit, zoom, or render a heavy model. So if you haven't updated your driver in a while, or if you recently updated and the problem started afterward, driver rollback or driver replacement may solve the issue. A good rule of thumb is this: if switching to Classic fixes the issue, then the new engine is the main problem. If high performance fixes the issue, then Windows was likely using the wrong GPU. And if neither fix works, the graphics driver itself is probably the next thing to focus on. That's why it helps to troubleshoot in this order. You can narrow down the cause without wasting time. Also, whenever you make a change like this, restart SketchUp fully after each adjustment. Don't just minimize and reopen it. A full restart makes sure the graphics engine, the GPU selection, and the driver settings are actually reloaded properly. That small step can save you a lot of confusion when testing whether a fix worked. So to recap quickly, first, go to Window, Preferences, Graphics, and switch the graphics engine from New to Classic. Second, go into Windows graphics settings and set SketchUp to high performance. Third, update your drivers properly using Nvidia Studio if you're on Nvidia, or a stable Adrenalin version if you're on AMD. Those are the most effective first-line fixes for SketchUp graphics errors. If this tutorial helped you fix the problem, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful video. And if you want, leave a comment and let me know which fix worked for you. the classic engine, high performance mode, or the driver update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.